Hello, and welcome to Understand the Math. I'm Cheryl, and I'm excited to have you here. Whether you're looking for clarity on some challenging math concepts or problems, need background knowledge to succeed in a course, or are learning mathematics on your own, you've come to the right place. I truly believe in you and know that with patience and perseverance, you can succeed in math. I've created this channel because I'm passionate about teaching and committed to providing as much free and high-quality instruction as possible. I have a Ph.D. in engineering science and applied mathematics, and I've been teaching at the university level for over 25 years. My experience has taught me that with the right support and resources, anyone can succeed in math. This channel is designed to be a comprehensive resource to help you succeed. On this channel, you'll find videos that contain clear explanations, step-by-step problem-solving strategies, and carefully worked out example problems. There are a variety of playlists organized by subject matter, and I continually add new videos each week so that there's more content for you to learn from. I've also created free guided notes on my website, Understand the Math, that you can download and use alongside each video. These notes are designed to help you follow along with the videos, fill in the answers to the example problems, and later review what you've learned. I found that many students learn best by using guided notes. One of the greatest joys for me in teaching is coming alongside my students, encouraging them, and being part of their educational journey. We don't need a traditional classroom to learn together. Here on this channel, you'll find a math community where you can be supported and feel comfortable learning. You belong here. I invite you to subscribe to my channel so we can start learning together now. With each video, you're building your understanding and confidence in math, and I'm here to support you every step of the way.